so.
I'm to be sorry.
I'm not feeling bad. I'm feeling bad.
Please don't feel bad. See what was in your heart and I respect it.
It's fine. There's nothing in my heart. It's all in my mind. There's my heart. My heart. It's just like my heart healing. I'm not about to fall about this. And how did you know that? This is not one-sided. Can I say it? Love you. Love you.
Okay. Thank you.
No.
I won't say stuff like that.
Even if I'm not, you know I'm not lying, right?
I don't know.
That means you haven't read me.
Have you ever lied to me?
Yeah. No, about food.
Can you take care of this for change?
No love. No love.
No,
Just give me that before I go to the shop.
no, sweet John, without me. Sweet John, without me, let's get ready.
No.
What do you mean no?
Oh, why not go to the shop?
Imagine.
I want that.
Sorry.
Okay. Should I say? I don't know what to say.
Don't say it. Let's finish.
Look over. So.